Take a ride in the 2016 Cadillac Xts. The Cadillac Xts will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-sized luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.